May retirement plan ka na ba? Hindi natin kailangan maging 45, 50, 55 years old bago lang tayo magsimula mag-save for our retirement. Kasi did you know that if you want to enjoy 20 years of your retirement life, you must save 20 years earlier. So kahit nakaka-graduate mo pa lang, you're on your 20s, 30s, pwedeng-pwede at highly recommended mag-start ka na ng retirement plan mo. So here are the 4 reasons why do you need to start your retirement plan. Because first, people are living longer. Mas nakakatakot nga ngayon. We need insurance, we need retirement plan if we live longer. Second, pwedeng biglaang mawalan ka ng trabaho. So mawalan tayo ng trabaho because of retrenchment, because of sickness or accident. We never know what will happen tomorrow. Third, don't be a liability to others. Para hindi na tayo intindihan ng ating kids or future kids o kaya ng iba nating family members. Fourth, of course, we want to maintain our standard of living. So gusto mong ganito pa rin ang lifestyle mo pag nag-retire ka. So it's really important that you start your retirement plan. Alam mo ba kung bakit kailangan ka na mag-start ng retirement plan mo? Kasi dahil sa patuloy na pagtaas ng bilihin, yung isang meal pa lang is 100 pesos. Eh kung 3 times ka kakain, that's 300 pesos per person per day. Eh kung 2 tao kayo, di ba mag-asawa, 600 pesos per couple per day. Eh kung 30 days yon, 18,000 a month, times 12 months, that 216,000 a year, times 20 years, that's 4.32 million. Eh that's the cost of the food for your retirement. Eh meron ka pang mga ibang kakailanganin, di ba? So kung hindi ka mag-start today, paano na? Mas mahihirapan na tayo gawin yon. Katulad na lang pag nag-travel ka, di ba? Marami tayong nakikita mga pictures na pag may edad doon na magta-travel. So pag nag-travel ka, ayan yon. Bayad sa housing. Most especially, yung nasa upper right, yung healthcare. And also, transportation. So, 4.2, kung madoble pa yan, more than 8 million, 10 million, di ba? Yun yung kakailanganan natin in the future. Meron tayong tinatawag na rule of thumb sa insurance. So, let's focus on the third one, which is yung to save your 20% of your income to your retirement fund. So, mangyayari dito, kung 100,000 yung income mo, 20,000 ang iaalat mo to save for your retirement. Para sa sarili mo to. So, kung malaki pa yun para sa'yo, ang gagawin mo, to start kung magkano lang ang kaya. Kung 1K a month, 2K a month, 3K a month, kesa wala. Baka magastos mo lang din yan. So, ang pagkuha ng retirement plan, makakapagbigay ito ng discipline for you, may encourage ka na mag-force savings, para in the future, you will thank yourself for doing it. Ang marerecommend ko na plan for your retirement is AIA A+ Signature. So, for example, 45 years old ka ngayon, so you will get guaranteed cash payout starting at the end of year 6, which is pag 51 ka na, every 2 years while you're alive. So, dito sa example na to, makikita natin, makakakuha ka ng 100,000 at age 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, all the way when God says time's up. So, meron kang mai-enjoy na money for you. Hindi kailangan na 65 years old ka na bago makastart. Or kapag 25 ka pa lang, nag-start ka na to, 31 years old, may makuha ka ng money. So, pang travel fund mo, pang bili ng mga other goals that you want for yourself. So, ano-ano nga ba ang benefits ng AIA Plus Signature? Dahil sinabi natin pang retirement ito, kung 45 years old ka na, pag 51 years old ka, makakastart makakuha ng guaranteed cash benefit kahit nagbabayad ka pa. So, for example, yung kanina, 100,000 na makukuha mo, so nandito yon. And then maliban dyan, may makikita tayong death benefit. Yung death benefit sa taas, ito yung life insurance na tinatawag. So, if God says time's up, yung 2 million pesos, yan ang matatanggap ng family mo. Yung maturity benefit naman, dahil nga people are living longer, if we reach 100 years old, yung life insurance mo sana or death benefit, ibibigay na sa'yo para pangbayad na ng mga hospitalization bills mo and mga other things that you want to buy. Yan. Maliban pa doon, makakatanggap ka ng non-guaranteed dividends. So dito, example na lang, 2.9% yung dividends. So pag kumita yung company, 'di ba? Less yung mga expenses niya, may extra siya na income, lahat ng mga taong nag-invest sa AIAA Plus Signature, mabibigyan niya. So dito for example, at age 85, 1.1 million yung additional mo pa na non-guaranteed dividends. Hindi natin kailangan magantay at age 65 para makuha ito ha. Kahit after a year, 2 years, so sana 5 years, 10 years, gano'n, para naman mag-accumulate siya at medyo malaki yung makuha mo. Magkano nga ba ang plan na ito? Ito siya, 134,000 kung annual, semi-annual na 71,000, and 37,000 quarterly kung 20 years to pay. Ito naman ang 10 pay, tsaka 5 pay. Kung naghahanap ka ng mas murang plan for your retirement, pwede naman nating i-adjust ang matatanggap mong guaranteed cash benefit. So instead na 100,000, ito 25,000 guaranteed cash benefit. So pag magyayari dito, pag bumaba ito, bababa rin yung isi-save mo. So for 25,000 guaranteed cash benefit, ang annual niya is 36,000 plus, semi-annual na 19,000 at quarterly na 10,000 for 20 years to pay. Ito naman yung 10 pay na 62,000 and then 5 pay na 126,000. So if you have questions about AIAA Plus Signature and you want help with regards to planning and saving for your retirement, PM me or you can comment down below.